Listen up, brisket lovers. Once you start using Kosmos Q Ultimate Brisket Injection and Mop, don't be shocked if your neighbors start camping in the front yard. Hey, what up, y'all? Cosmo here, and I've been slicing, smoking, and brining since I was 13 years old. And our barbecue products have won countless awards and trophies on the competition barbecue circuit, not to mention a few world championships, one of which yours truly won. So start cooking up your brisket with our award-winning, competition-smashing, patented blend, and don't be shocked when your family's mouths start watering when you step towards that smoker. Be prepared if all of a sudden you got a heck of a lot more friends showing up because they know who's pumping out that brisket magic. You may be charging admission to your backyard because they all know where the hottest ticket is in town. So if you're ready to become the ultimate pitmaster of your backyard, make sure to snatch up this deal now. All you gotta do is smash that button below and get the Ultimate Brisket Injection and Mop headed to you for half off.